All right, hold up. This is looking better, but it's not. Oh, hey, there we go. We're up on YouTube. Let's try this again. Now, casting. All right. So next, let's try this again. Output settings. Is it the same on? I'm trying to multi-stream this, which doesn't always work very well, but save output, okay. And then let's try this. All right. Hopefully connects your streaming software to go live. Oh, that's changing. Maybe this actually works. That would be great. All right. Go live there. Awesome. That's live. Perfect. And nothing's buffering just yet. And then we will go live on TikTok as well. Awesome. All right. Well, thank you everyone for joining. We have all three streaming services at this point are live. So YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you all for joining. A significant winter storm is on the way, and I'm here to answer any questions you all may have. I appreciate everyone for joining, tagging along here across all three platforms. So just pop in the chat any sort of questions you guys have. I am more than happy to answer them all. Right now we are seeing our winter storm getting going across areas of the central and eastern United States. This is an overrunning storm, so we'll see cold air at the surface and warm, moist air just above it, and that is what we're seeing. So snow total for Senecaville, Ohio. I don't know where Senecaville, Ohio is, but most of Ohio, I think you see over a half a foot of snow there. I know a lot of models are showing over a foot there. I just don't think the dynamics are going to be in place for that. So Dallas, Texas, we're seeing snow right now. That's very interesting. I think eventually you will see a switch over to some freezing rain there, but maybe you overperform there in terms of snowfall totals because we weren't expecting any snow in Dallas. Southeast Ohio, yeah, Southeast Ohio, I do think you pick up over a half foot of snow there, maybe even double digits. Kennesaw, Georgia, in terms of ice, I think you see a significant icing event there, especially nearby the Atlanta area. Is North Carolina getting snow? Probably not. Looking like more of an ice event there across North Carolina and Georgia and South Carolina as well, since I see many folks in there. That includes Apex, North Carolina. Absolutely. So, yep, Georgia. I'm in Ohio. Am I cooked? I think you're going to be seeing a significant storm there in Ohio. I think a lot of Ohio sees now looking like double digits in terms of total snowfall. So Somerset, New Jersey. I think Somerset, New Jersey there, right along the I-95 corridor, sees at least 8 inches of snow, could see double digits. Same thing there in Philly. I think you see around 8 inches of snow and then switching over to some sleet, maybe even some freezing rain there as well. So is Tennessee done? No, this is far from over, folks. We are just beginning. This is just the start. Springfield, Missouri. I think Springfield, Missouri sees a significant amount of snow there in south central Missouri, maybe over a half a foot there. Kansas City, I think Kansas City for the most part, you're kind of in this lighter snow, but still could pick up 3 to 6 inches of snow. Middle of Illinois, I think the middle of Illinois could pick up over a half foot of snow there. Dallas, 7 to 8 inches. I wouldn't say that high because I do think eventually you're going to end up as freezing rain. Northeast Pennsylvania, I think you see over a foot of snow there in Northeast PA. Could even close in on that 15 to 18 inch range. All right, folks, especially on TikTok there, appreciate all of you for joining. We have a very active chat right now, so I'm going to try and get to as many people as possible, but definitely follow here for more weather updates. We're trying to do this every day on TikTok, but for YouTube and Instagram, I'll do this for our significant events. So basically, we're seeing a significant snow and ice storm on the way. So this is ensemble averages of our snow accumulation and our ice accumulation anywhere in this green stripe across areas from Texas through to Indiana and eventually into the Northeast. We're going to be seeing over a half foot of snow. These yellow and orange areas in especially southern New England, those are areas that could pick up over a foot of snow. And I think somewhere in Massachusetts could pick up over 18 inches of snow. A very significant snow event from basically the foothills of the Rockies all the way to the Northeast. Right now, we have winter storm warnings in effect across many of these areas, and over 2,000 miles worth of winter storm warnings from Texas to Maine. So looking like Georgia, that's an area that's looking like more of an ice event, especially in northern Georgia there. That's the other part of this system that's going to be very, very significant, is the icing potential from Texas all the way up, maybe even into New Jersey. So I appreciate everyone in the chat. It's laggy. I don't know if that's just me. Is it lagging for folks at home? If it's lagging, it might just be my server. So I think it is lagging, which kind of sucks. All right, so I'm gonna end the live on Instagram and YouTube since we are lagging. All right.